Hi, my name is Sheila, and my company has been working with Quest Consultants, who've been helping us to make sure our facilities are EPA compliant, and they've especially helped us with our SWPPP. I was looking for some help because I just didn't feel like I was knowledgeable enough to tackle the project myself, and I knew that I had to make sure everything was done properly. So I contacted them, and from our very first encounter, they have always been extremely friendly and professional. In these sorts of dealings, good communication is absolutely essential, and they constantly keep me updated and respond to all my calls and emails promptly. They actually were able to create a map of my facility that showed all of the pollution sources, and they provided training to my employees, and so now everyone is on the same page and knows how to do their job properly. It is so nice to be able to pass this task on to the experts and not have to worry about it at all. I am completely confident that Quest Consultants will keep my business NPDES, SWPPP, and SPCC compliant. I know so much about my business and how to keep it running, but to be honest, I don't know very much about federal stormwater regulations and the like. I'm so glad that Quest Consultants can keep my business in compliance and make sure we're following all the regulations. The pollution prevention plans that they've written for us are so thorough, and I just really feel like my business is in good hands. I would absolutely recommend working with Quest Consultants to keep your business in compliance with all the government regulations.